Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update DaVinci Resolve Fairlight mixer for consistent loudness, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Navigate to the Fairlight workspace by selecting the Fairlight tab at the bottom of the interface. Load the project you want to work on. Identify the audio track you need to adjust for consistent loudness. Select the track, and expand the mixer panel if it's not already visible. Locate the loudness meter section within the mixer. Click on the loudness meter button to enable it. Take note of the current loudness readings displayed on the meter. Play your audio to analyze its loudness levels in real time. Determine if the levels fall within the desired loudness range for your project. If adjustments are needed, select the specific track or clip you want to modify. Access the equalizer settings from the mixer panel. Adjust the frequency bands to enhance or reduce certain audio elements. Use the dynamics section to apply compression if necessary. Set a threshold that suits your target loudness. Adjust the gain to prevent distortion and clipping. Return to the loudness meter to monitor the changes in real time. Repeat the process for any additional tracks that require adjustment. Once adjustments are complete, export your audio project. While exporting, double-check the loudness settings in the export dialog. Confirm that the output settings align with your desired loudness standards. After exporting, review the final audio to ensure consistency. Make any further adjustments if necessary, and re-export the track. Monitor feedback on the loudness levels after sharing your project. Continuously refine your technique for future projects to achieve optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.